The vendor forum is a special opportunity for entrepreneurs and business vendors that work within and without the county to get together, come together for a wonderful day of exposure. We always have a phenomenal keynote speaker. Some of the government officials come by and they share some ideas and information with our audience.
The Small Business Commission is one of the primary sponsors of the vendor forum. Our point is to be an advocate for small business and to support small businesses with any issues or concerns they have. We have open meetings on Mondays once a month. Those meetings are listed on our website and they're in the evenings, so we look forward to having businesses come in, share their concerns with doing business in the county.
At the vendor forum, we also have a fantastic Reverse Trade Show that we love delivering to the vendor community. The Reverse Trade Show is an opportunity for specifically the procurement professionals to meet with businesses that want to be introduced to them and give them an opportunity to hear more about what offerings they might have. And then with all the special workshops, you can choose kind of what workshop you want to go to. A lot of them are repeated. I just did a workshop on networking, and it's one of the things I love to do because I know how important it is for small businesses to learn how to collaborate and work together. For my workshop specifically, I want participants to know it is very important when you're talking about networking, you're talking more about listening than you're talking about presenting or doing anything. The difference between sales and networking is clear, and you have to understand that networkers are all about leverage. It's all about creating opportunities to work together, whereas sales might be about service and solving problems. Networking is about working together and collaborating.
The importance of having a vendor forum is to give our community a chance, our business community a chance to develop and grow and make connections. So this is where connections are made, and we're so proud of it.